Welcome to Your Health. I'm your host, Rhonda Alfred, and joining us on this episode is Pam Spearman, an LPN and recruiter for Terrebonne General Blood Donor Center. She's going to be talking to us about blood donation and just how easy it is. Welcome to the show, Pam.
Hi, thanks for having me.
All right, Pam. Well, you've been at this for quite some time, so why don't you tell the audience a little bit more about what you do and how long you've been at Terrebonne General?
I've been working here 28 years. I've been in the blood bank for 15 years. My main job is to recruit donors to come in and try to donate and fulfill what blood is needed at our hospital. I do other things sometimes in need if I need to either draw patients or interview patients.
Okay, very, very busy lady.
Yes.
All right, so January is a National Blood Donor Awareness Month. Tell us a little bit more about what this is about.
Well, that's an honor of, donating blood, and we encourage people to donate blood because if you don't donate, we can't get it. It's the only thing that can replace blood. So if you don't have a donation here to replace people that use blood, that's the only way we can get it. We cannot fabricate it. People have to donate their blood.
Okay, and why is this so important, and how is the blood that we get here used here?
Well, we use it only in our parish. All the facilities that require big surgeries in Terrebonne Parish, it's used in our parish. We do not sell our blood. It's all distributed. People volunteer their blood to us, and we administer to all the hospitals just in our parish. And I think it's important that you give. So if you're healthy enough, I always encourage you come and give blood.
So again, why is it important to donate blood?
Well, you can donate 6 times a year, and you save 3 lives every time you give blood. So, and also you burn 650 calories when you give blood, so you don't have to work out that day if you want an excuse not to work out. But I highly encourage it if you're healthy, and all the donors that come, they keep our parish going. I think people don't realize how much people that come here every day out of the kindness of their heart and give us their blood.
Okay, and what are some of the benefits besides burning 650 calories of donating blood?
Well, it's like a little mini checkup. We check you for a lot of viruses. When you give blood, we test your blood. It's tested every time you give, and it's a little mini checkup. You take your blood pressure, your pulse, and we check your hematocrit. So sometimes if you're having some problems, sometimes we'll pick up things and send you to the doctor. But you have to be a healthy human being to come in and give blood because you have to have extra to share it.
And that was my next question. So who can donate blood?
You have to be at least 17 years old, weigh 110 pounds. You can be 16 with a parent consent, but we like you to weigh a little bit more than 110 because you're so young. And we encourage you, if you do want to come, try to give blood at our place, that you to eat a big meal that day, drink lots of fluids if you know you want to come give blood.
Okay, can you walk us through the process of what it's like to donate?
First, you'll come in, you'll show me your ID, and then we're in an interview room, and we'll ask you a bunch of questions, and that's where we check your pulse and your hematocrit. And then you'll go to the donor room where we'll put you in a chair and you'll lie down. I find our room very comfortable. It's a big room. It has a TV. Everybody makes you comfortable. It's not a fearful place or pressure. It's just kind of a really relaxed place. And most people tell us that we're probably one of the best places they've been to. So I'm proud of that. A lot of people tell us that.
And don't you have a lot of repeat donors?
Oh, yes, we have plenty repeat. That's my job. I'll call every 8 weeks when you do again. And I would say 70% of the people that are due again come back in. And then that's when we encourage young people to give. And we get young people sometimes when they have a family member here and they're needing blood. Well, then that's how I'll get a new donor, and then we'll call them and they'll keep giving blood. We've had many donors said they started giving blood when they were young because somebody was in need.
And then they just keep on
And
giving.
they just keep coming, so.
Well, when you say the blood stays in our parish, explain that. Does it stay at the hospital here?
It stays at our hospital. It'll go to any of the surgery centers here in Terrebonne Parish or the AMG facility on Dunn. any of those people need blood can receive our blood. We don't send our blood out of parish. It's only for us, and it's and most people that give blood are from our parish. They all live in Terrebonne Parish.
So you're giving back to the community when you donate blood here.
And I say it's no better way than to say, I say God gave it to you. You need to pay it forward. It's the only way I can describe it is that we can't do it without you. And I would say all of my donors are very special people. They're very special.
They are very giving. So what is the one thing you want people to know about blood donation?
That, it's not really a hard thing to do. It's easy to do. It doesn't take you but about 40 minutes of your time. You help people. It's a good thing to do for your parish, humanity, the whole bit. So I think that if you've never done it, I'd say try it one time. It's not for everybody. Some people feel weak or tired, but I do believe if you try at least one time in your life, you can say, I did it. And I encourage it. It's the only way humanity can get around. Like I said, we can't buy it.
All right. Well, thank you so much for everything you're doing and giving back to our community.
Oh, thank you. Thank you for having me. And I hope that someone is interested to please come to us. We open 7:30 to 3:30, 855 Boulanger Street. And on Mondays and Thursdays, we stay open till 5 o'clock by appointment only. So I'd encourage anyone that's even interested to please try at least one time and try to come see us because we always welcome new people.
Okay. Thanks, Pam.
Thank you.
For more information about donating blood at Terrebonne General Blood Donor Center, visit tghealthsystem.com. Thanks for joining us on To Your Health. I'm your host, Rhonda Alfred, and I'll see you right back here next week.